Welcome to another video. In this video, we will show you how to change your Reddit username on Android. So let's get started. After opening Reddit app, click here to now click on Settings. From here, scroll down and click on Help Center. Search for username here. Scroll down and click here. From this page, scroll and you will see this option. Then click here. After that, click on Submit a request. Click on Account Help from here. Write your email address here. Select this option from here. After that, scroll down and enter more details. Finally, click on Submit. After that, you will receive email in which you can change your username. So there you have it. We hope it solved your problem. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.